6 benefits, that's all it takes to completely change how you train forever. But here's what makes these 6 different from every other benefits list you've seen. Benefit number 3 is something your body does automatically. Without thinking, without trying, without even realizing it's happening. And when I explain what it is, you'll understand why kettlebells are fundamentally different from every other training tool on Earth. 6 benefits of kettlebell training. Sounds simple, but each one of these benefits exposes a flaw in traditional training that most people never realize exists. And by the end of this video, you'll see your dumbbells, your machines, and your barbell in a completely different light. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the next 11 minutes, I'm going to break down 6 benefits that make kettlebell training unique. Not just good, unique. Benefits that no other tool delivers in the same way. Benefits that compound on each other, build on each other, create a training effect that's genuinely irreplaceable. But first, I need to show you something about a dumbbell, because the difference between a dumbbell and a kettlebell reveals everything you need to know about why these 6 benefits exist. Stay with me. This is going to change how you look at every piece of fitness equipment you own. Let's get into it. The 6 to 8 inch secret that changes everything. Pick up a dumbbell. Where is the weight? In your hand. The center of gravity sits directly in your palm. Balanced, stable, predictable. Your body can relax because the weight cooperates with you. Now pick up a kettlebell. Where is the weight? 6 to 8 inches below your grip. The center of gravity hangs away from your hand. Unstable, demanding, challenging. Your body cannot relax because the weight is constantly trying to pull you out of position. This 6 to 8 inch difference is not a design flaw, it's the entire point. And it's the source of every single benefit you're about to discover. Every benefit flows from this one physical reality. The offset center of mass changes everything about how your body responds to training. The dumbbell was designed to be convenient, easy to use, accessible. The kettlebell was designed to be challenging, to demand more, to expose weakness, to force adaptation. This is why a 16-kilogram kettlebell press feels harder than a 16-kilogram dumbbell press. Same weight, completely different stimulus. Same weight, completely different results. Now let's break down the 6 benefits this creates. Benefit 1. Better form, not because you try harder, but because the kettlebell forces you. Here's something remarkable. With barbells and dumbbells, people get away with terrible form. They arch their back. They don't lock out their elbows. They twist to one side. They cut the range of motion short. The balanced weight cooperates with their laziness. It allows the cheat. The kettlebell doesn't cooperate. It exposes every fault immediately. Here's a perfect example. An overhead press. With a barbell or dumbbell, countless people press to 90 degrees and call it done. Elbows bent, half range of motion. They think they're done because the weight stopped fighting them. Now try this with a kettlebell. Something interesting happens. Almost everyone instinctively presses all the way to full lockout. Why? Because the offset load acts as a counterweight. It pulls your shoulder back. It demands full extension. The weight itself guides you to perfect form. This isn't conscious. This isn't willpower. This is physics. The kettlebell's offset nature makes proper form easier than improper form. Your body finds the right path because the wrong path feels immediately wrong, awkward, unnatural. Think about what this means over thousands of reps. Every swing, every press, every squat, every clean. The kettlebell is quietly, constantly, automatically correcting your movement patterns. You're not just building strength, you're building perfect movement. At the same time, with the same tool. Week 4 of kettlebell training, most people notice something unexpected. Their form on barbell exercises has improved. Without practicing barbell exercises, the movement quality developed through kettlebell work transfers. Because the patterns are the same, the kettlebell just demanded perfection that the barbell allowed you to avoid. This is benefit 1, better form. Not from discipline, from physics. But here's what better form leads to, and this is benefit 2. Benefit 2, core strength that builds itself whether you want it to or not. Here's a dirty secret about most training programs. Core work is optional. You can bench press without bracing your core. You can squat with a loose midsection. You can row without engaging your obliques. The balanced weights allow this. They don't demand core engagement. Kettlebells make core engagement non-optional. Here's why. When you press a kettlebell overhead, the offset load tries to flare your ribs. It pulls you into extension. Your lower back wants to arch, to compensate, to cheat. But this is dangerous. And your body knows it. So your core fires. Automatically, forcefully. Your transverse abdomen engages. Your obliques brace. Your entire midsection locks down to prevent the compensations the kettlebell is trying to create. You don't choose to engage your core, the kettlebell forces you. The swing makes this even more dramatic. At the bottom of every swing, the kettlebell pulls your lower back into dangerous flexion. Your core must resist this, must create a rigid column, must protect your spine. 50 swings means 50 forceful core contractions. Not because you did core work, because you did swings. This automatic core engagement has profound implications. Every exercise you do becomes a core exercise. Every press trains your shoulders and your core. Every squat trains your legs and your core. Every row trains your back and your core. You're never just training one thing. You're always training your midsection simultaneously. The result? After 12 weeks of kettlebell training, people who never did a single dedicated core exercise have stronger, more developed cores than people who did hundreds of crunches. The kettlebell built their core while they were busy building everything else. But benefit 3 is the one that happens automatically. The one your body does without thinking. The one that separates kettlebell users from everyone else in the most visible way. Benefit 3. Grip strength that transforms without trying. Look at your hands right now. These are your primary connection to the physical world. Everything you lift, carry, push, or pull passes through your grip. Your grip is your foundation, and most training completely neglects it. Here's what happens with traditional training. Dumbbells have thin handles, perfectly balanced, easy to hold. Your grip never gets challenged. Barbells have thin handles. You use straps when it gets heavy. Your grip gets bypassed. Machines? You don't even grip most of them properly. Now here's what happens with kettlebells. The handle is thicker than a dumbbell. Deliberately, more surface area, more demand on your fingers and hands. The offset load creates torque that tries to rotate the handle out of your grip. You must squeeze harder. Your forearms engage constantly. The dynamic nature of ballistic movements intensifies this further. During a swing, the bell is in constant motion. Your grip must adapt to changing forces throughout every rep. During a snatch, the bell flips over your wrist. Your hand position changes completely. Your grip must be both strong and fluid. The result? Kettlebell users develop extraordinary grip strength without ever doing a single dedicated grip exercise. No dead hangs, no farmer carries, no grip trainers. Just kettlebell training done consistently. After 3 months, most people find their grip has transformed. And this matters more than people realize. Grip strength correlates directly with overall health and longevity. Studies consistently show that stronger grip equals longer life, better health outcomes, lower rates of cardiovascular disease. Grip strength is literally a biomarker for how well you're aging. Plus, grip strength transfers to everything. Your deadlift gets heavier because your grip can handle it. Your rows improve because your hands don't give out first. You carry groceries in one trip instead of 2. You open jars without struggling. You shake hands with confidence. Your grip transforms. Without trying. That's benefit 3, but here's where things get interesting, because benefit 4 changes how you move athletically. Benefit 4, athleticism that develops through movement, not just muscle. Here's a question most people never ask. What is athleticism actually? It's not just strength. It's not just endurance. It's the ability to move your body and external loads efficiently in multiple planes of motion. 3-dimensional movement, rotation, lateral movement, diagonal patterns. Traditional gym training is largely one-dimensional. The bench press moves in one plane. The squat moves in one plane. The bicep curl moves in one plane. You build strength in these specific patterns. But athletic movement requires all 3 planes simultaneously. Kettlebell training breaks this limitation. Here's how. Many kettlebell exercises involve multiple planes simultaneously. A clean to squat to rotational press. You're moving vertically, horizontally and rotationally in one fluid combination. This mimics exactly what sports demand. A basketball player doesn't just move up and down. They cut laterally, rotate their torso, and reach overhead in one continuous motion. A soccer player doesn't just kick. They rotate, shift weight laterally, and generate force diagonally. Every sport involves three-dimensional movement. Kettlebell training builds three-dimensional strength. Kettlebell flows make this even more powerful, linking exercises together: clean to press, swing to squat, snatch to get up. Your body learns to transition between movement patterns, to generate force from any position, to maintain control during complex sequences. This is athletic movement development, not just muscle building. Research comparing traditional gym training to kettlebell training for athletic performance shows significant differences. Kettlebell-trained athletes show better agility scores, better change of direction speed, better rotational power. Same total training time, better athletic results, but athleticism requires a foundation. And Benefit 5 builds that foundation better than anything else. Benefit 5, conditioning and cardiovascular endurance that goes deeper than cardio. Here's the fundamental problem with traditional cardio. A treadmill makes your legs move, your cardiovascular system adapts, but only your legs and lungs get the full benefit. Your upper body, your core, your posterior chain, all relatively passive. Now here's what happens during a kettlebell clean and press. Your legs drive from the ground, your hips extend explosively, your core transfers force, your shoulders stabilize, your triceps drive the press. Your entire body from feet to fingertips is working simultaneously. The cardiovascular demand is enormous, because everything is working, not just your legs. This total body cardiovascular demand creates adaptations that traditional cardio simply cannot match. Your heart learns to pump blood to your entire body simultaneously. Not just your legs, not just your lungs. Every system. This creates more complete cardiovascular development. Kettlebell flows and complexes take this further. A 5-exercise complex done for 5 minutes straight with minimal rest. Every muscle working, every system demanding blood. Heart rate at 80 to 90% of maximum. This is interval training, strength training, total body conditioning, all simultaneously. Studies comparing kettlebell conditioning to traditional cardio show equivalent cardiovascular improvements in half the time. Your heart doesn't care whether the demand came from running or from swinging. It responds to the demand. And kettlebell demand is more complete. Plus, the caloric burn is extraordinary. 20 calories per minute during swings. Double most cardio equipment, plus the afterburn effect. Your metabolism stays elevated for 12 to 24 hours post-session. Traditional cardio doesn't create this. The intensity doesn't reach the threshold. Benefit 5. Conditioning that's more complete, more efficient, and more effective than dedicated cardio. From a single kettlebell. But here's the final benefit. The one that seems smallest, but might matter most. For the real world. For real life. For actually getting training done. Benefit 6. Portability that removes every excuse forever. Here's the honest truth about fitness equipment. The best equipment is the equipment you actually use. Not the most advanced, not the most expensive. The equipment that's available when you're ready to train. A full gym setup, available during gym hours. Requires commute. Requires planning. Requires motivation to drive somewhere. A barbell at home? Available but requires space. Requires setup. Requires a specific room or garage. A kettlebell? Available anywhere, always, without exceptions. Here's what this means in practice. 5 a.m. before work. Grab your kettlebell, swing in your bedroom, done. Traveling for business? Pack your kettlebell in your car. Train in the hotel parking lot, done. Sunny day. Take it to the park, train outside, done. Raining? Train in your kitchen, done. Every excuse that has ever stopped your training becomes irrelevant with a kettlebell. And here's what makes kettlebells specifically better than other portable equipment. Unlike dumbbells, they don't roll around in your car. They sit flat, stable, easy to transport. Unlike resistance bands, they provide real progressive resistance, real load, real adaptation. Unlike a suspension trainer, you don't need an anchor point. Plus, the most important thing, unlike every other training tool, you only need one. One kettlebell. One piece of equipment that travels with you, fits in your boot, sits in the corner of your office, lives beside your bed. One tool that's always available, always ready, always capable of delivering complete training. The removal of friction is everything. Research on habit formation shows that reducing friction by even 30 seconds dramatically improves adherence. If getting to the gym takes 30 minutes, many days you don't go. If getting to your kettlebell takes 30 seconds, you almost always go. Portability creates consistency. Consistency creates transformation. The 6 benefits combined, the compounding effect. Here's what makes these 6 benefits extraordinary. They compound, they build on each other, they create a training effect that's more powerful than any one benefit alone. Better form means safer training. Safer training means consistent training. Consistent training builds real progress. Core strength that builds automatically means your foundation gets stronger with everything you do. Grip strength that develops passively means your performance on every exercise improves without extra work. Athleticism developed through movement means your fitness transfers to real life. Conditioning that goes deeper means your cardiovascular health is genuinely transforming. Portability that removes excuses means you actually train, consistently, forever. These 6 benefits don't just add, they multiply. Each one makes the others more powerful. This is the kettlebell advantage, not one thing, 6 things, all happening simultaneously, all reinforcing each other. Your action plan. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one kettlebell exercise. The swing is perfect. Practice it 3 times weekly. For 8 weeks, don't change exercises. Don't add complexity. Just master this one movement. After 8 weeks, measure all 6 benefits. Is your form better on other exercises? Is your core stronger? Is your grip improved? Are you moving more athletically? Is your conditioning better? Are you training more consistently because of the accessibility? I promise you'll see improvements in all 6 areas, from one exercise, from one tool. That's the power of the kettlebell. If you're committing to the 8-week kettlebell experiment, drop a comment saying 6 benefits incoming. Let's build a community of people who train smart, who use tools that deliver multiple benefits simultaneously, who understand that efficiency beats complexity every single time. And if you want complete exercise tutorials, form breakdowns, and progressive 8-week programs, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because we're building the most practical fitness channel on the internet. Real training, real results, real-life application. 6 benefits of kettlebell training. Better form through physics, automatic core engagement, passive grip development, athletic movement building, complete cardiovascular conditioning, and portability that removes every excuse. 6 benefits. 1 tool, complete transformation. Grab your kettlebell. The 6 benefits are waiting. I'll see you in the next video.